Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can register the IDM without any software or any cracked version to install. Let's get started first. Let me show you my IDM. As you can see, it's not registered yet. Now, in order to register this IDM, we will need a software. Let's head back to our browser and search for IDM trial reset. After coming here, open the first site. In here, scroll down a bit and you will see you can get the latest version here. Click on this and click on IDM trial reset zip. Click on start download and it will finish our download. Now let's open this file. So I'm extracting this software. After extracting, right click on your mouse and run this as administrator. So our software is open. Now you will see three bars. One is trial reset, second is register, and the third one is help. In order to register our IDM permanently, we will click on register and you will see register IDM now. Click on this and click on OK. Please wait for a couple of seconds and it will be done. As you can see, our IDM is registered now. Click on OK and close this application. Now restart your computer. So guys, we have restarted our computer. Now let's head back to our IDM and check if it's registered or not. Click on your IDM and click on the registration bar and you will see IDM is registered. Click on it. So our IDM is licensed. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.